Good help and skilled workers are hard to come across. In the past, you may have hired people who had to be released from their contract because they didn't blend well with your company's culture, or they didn't meet your expectations in terms of delivering what's expected from them. And you've searched far and wide for this person who can help you as you run your business. And then one day it happens. You find someone who happens to be the perfect fit and possesses the right skills. One that proves to be of great value to you and your business. As good help is hard to come by, it's only natural that you would want them to be loyal to you and stick with your business for the long term. And here's my advice to that. If you want this valued worker to stick with you, then it may be necessary to take care of them in terms of going above and beyond their weekly or monthly salary. After all, who doesn't love a job with benefits and perks? In this video, I will be letting you in on the popular benefits and perks you can offer your employee or remote worker. And again, what your business may gain from throwing in these attractive offerings. Hi, I'm Jinsey from Global VA Solutions, or GVAS, a sister company of Online Sellers Circle. At GVAS, we provide solutions to busy entrepreneurs and professionals who want to outsource to amazing virtual assistants. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release new content. First, let me differentiate employment benefits from perks. For those who may not know or haven't heard of it, employment benefits are defined as non-wage compensations provided to an employee as part of their contract. A lot of these are mandated by law, depending on the laws of the country where the job is held or the risks associated with the role. Examples of these benefits, which I will discuss in a bit, include paid time off, health insurance, retirement benefits, and overtime pay. Employment perks, on the other hand, are defined as additional non-salary offerings that go beyond wages and benefits. These perks are in place to support the growth and the needs of your employees. Employment perks are not at all mandated by law and are thrown in as a gesture of goodwill by an employer. Examples of these include the paid birthday leaves, car allowances, office game rooms, and gym memberships. Now, doesn't that sound fun? I suppose the obvious distinction between benefits and perks is that benefits are typically most essential to your employees and tend to be fixed and unchanging. And then there are the perks, which are extra rewards or incentives on top of salary and non-wage compensation, which can be removed or replaced at any time. What can your business gain in return by including these in your worker's contract? While benefits are obliged in most countries, business owners who employ virtual assistants are not obliged to offer these benefits and perks as part of their workers' contracts, but a lot of them do it anyway. Offering these to employees makes them feel that you are invested not only in their overall health, but their well-being, future, and lifestyle as well. Including these in your employment package can also help you stand out from your competitors. Healthier and happier employees also mean minimized healthcare expenses. Healthy and happy workers result in the reduction of people calling in sick and bringing in their best performance to work, thereby increasing productivity within your organization. Now let me go through the benefits that are commonly provided by employers to their workers, as well as suggested perks that make the job more enjoyable. Let's start with the benefits. Health insurance. The very first employee benefit on my list which a lot of individuals look forward to, is health insurance or health care. Majority of employers enroll their workers for health insurance, which is a type of insurance that covers their medical expenses in the event of an illness. Hospitalization bills, laboratory exams, medication, and physician consultation fees are among the costs that are covered by having this type of insurance. Oftentimes, even dental services are included. Usually, employees are also allowed to enroll their immediate family members as their dependents, making them eligible for this benefit as well. Life insurance. Apart from offering health insurance, a lot of business owners also obtain life insurance policies for their workers. In the event that the employee passes away, the life insurance policy would assist their family in managing funeral expenses, loans, and even bills which take a heavy toll on the family's finances during the demise of a family member. Next, we have the retirement benefit. A retirement benefit or pension plan, as it's commonly referred to, is an employee benefit that commits the employer to make regular contributions to a pool of money that is set aside in order to fund payments made to eligible employees after they retire. The employee may also provide additional contributions to these funds, and these are typically deducted from their wages. With a pension plan in place, your employee is assured to have constant income and a secure life upon retirement. Paid holidays. Paid holidays are a normal part of a compensation and benefits package offered by employers to attract and retain employees. With this benefit, an employer gives their worker the day off during certain holidays and pays them what is equivalent to what they would make for each day worked. On occasions where taking the day off is not an option for the worker and they still need to report to work during a holiday, the employer then doubles the amount they are paid for that day. In our own company, we are given legal holidays off and are paid for it. We also get paid in the event that the legal holiday falls on a weekend, even if we're not really required to work during these days. Paid family and medical leaves. The paid family leave allows for an employee to take time off in order to look after ill family members or a new child. The paid medical leave enables the worker to take a long-term period of absence in order to recuperate in the event of a serious illness or injury. Both of these benefits entitle the worker to pay despite them being away for a long period of time. Paid vacation leave. Here's another benefit proven to attract and retain employees. A paid vacation leave allows for an employee to take the day off or a few days off from work with pay in order to go on a holiday, rest, or engage in non-work-related activities. In our own company, vacation leaves, or what we internally refer to as bonus days, are granted, and vacation leave credits are earned depending on the amount of time we put into work. By having this benefit, not only are you being supportive of your workers' well-being and personal life, you're also encouraging them to take a breather in order to avoid experiencing job burnout. 13th month pay or end-of-year bonus. The 13th month pay is an extra paycheck that is typically equal to 1/12 of your employee's annual salary, which is paid in addition to it. Be sure to check out our other video on the 13th month pay to learn more about what it is, who are entitled to it, when it's usually paid out, how your business can benefit from providing it to your workers, and how it's computed. Overtime pay. Finally, our last one on the list is overtime pay. This benefit entitles an employee to receive additional payment above the hourly wage paid in case they need to continue working beyond normal working hours. This benefit usually applies to workers who are on a fixed work schedule. Overtime pay percentages are usually dependent on the laws of the country where the job is held. A lot of employees I know are keen to take on extra hours of work, even during their days off, because of the extra income they make out of it. Next, let me quickly go through the perks that are sure to make working for a company a lot more enjoyable. Employee development. First on my list are the ones that encourage employees to pursue their professional development. So these include mentorship programs on how they can become better within their roles, paid sabbaticals, allowances that cover paid training and resources, and access to groups and organizations that can support their career advancement. Family life. Next are the perks that support an employee's family life. So we have educational assistance, wherein an employee is supported financially by their organization in terms of sending their kids to school. Paid paternity leave, which is paid time off granted to a male employee to look after their newborn children. For female employees who have just recently given birth, an extended maternity leave may be offered. This is extra paid time off beyond their regular maternity leave. On-site daycare is also a great perk to have. This allows workers who are also parents to bring their children to the workplace. Usually, there's a designated playroom supplied with toys and books. They will usually be joined by other employees' children, and they will be cared for or looked after by daycare workers during their parents' absence. Leisure packages may also be offered to an employee to allow them to bond with their family outside their home. So movie tickets, theme park or zoo tickets, or access to a vacation resort are some of the popular leisure packages given to a worker. Allowances. Allowances are allotted funds granted to an employee to use for a specific purpose. Usual examples of these are food allowances, transportation allowance so that they are reimbursed for the expenses incurred during their travel to work, car allowance, clothing and travel allowances as well. Flexible working hours and extra paid time off. Flexible working hours refers to the schedule which allows an employee to start and finish their workday when they want. This perk promotes productivity within and outside of work as well. Then, extra paid time off refers to additional days off given to an employee beyond the paid holidays. Examples of these would include the birthday leave and paid time off during the 2-week holiday period. Wellness. Wellness perks are given to an employee to make them feel that not only does the employer value their contribution to the company, but that they also value their health and well-being. Wellness perks an employer can give to their worker may include a gym membership, even putting up their own in-house gym in the company, group exercise programs and yoga, access to vitamins and minerals, as well as free healthy snacks within the workplace. Anyway, those are just a few, and the list of workplace perks goes on. These benefits and perks are really nice to have as part of one's contract. The perks part, of course, is purely optional and is done to boost employee morale. A lot of employers don't introduce these all at the same time. They use these perks as means to incentivize their people, to reward them from time to time for a job well done. So, to sum things up, employment benefits are non-wage compensations provided to a worker as part of their contract. Perks are additional non-salary offerings that go beyond wages and benefits, which are given to support the growth and needs of your workers. While employers who are working with remote workers are not mandated to offer them benefits, It'd be a nice gesture on your part to offer some of these and even throw in perks to show them how much you appreciate and value them. Ultimately, you own the business and you decide what it is you are able to offer your employees. Remember, whatever you put on your virtual assistant's contract should be honored, and that a happy VA equals a happy business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.